I had a geologist come up to assess the soil on my new property, so I used my excavator to dig trenches for him so that he could do his job. By the time I started filming, I'd already dug the trenches, so now I just needed to fill them back in. I sped this up because, being a newbie at excavator operation, I was a bit hesitant and slow, and sometimes I did the wrong thing, and so that's why it's all sped up. Running an excavator isn't rocket science, but as long as I take it nice and slow and easy and carefully, I'll learn and get better with time. That white Toyota truck in the background is my new truck, and I outfitted it with racks so that it would hold a hang glider, or 2 or 3, or maybe even 4, probably not 5.
I have to fill this back in.
In hindsight, I probably should have just used the blade in front of the excavator to shove the dirt into the trench, which I finally did figure out in the end. After that, I just rolled over the trench to pack the dirt in. All done with the trenching. Next, I took the excavator over to that rust-colored container in the background and used it to gather up dirt and push it underneath the raised up end, which is just sitting on blocks of wood, which I used to keep it level.